In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your Google Drive content and share it directly to a website. It's referred to as Embed, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Slides. By the way, before I go too deep into this, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have a question about it, comment on the YouTube video. Ask me any question. I'm happy to answer it for you. If you like this series, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. It will help you as well. Ring the bell and you'll be notified of more content that I create in this ultimate guide to Google Drive sharing. Let's start with a Google Sheet. So here's a Google Sheet. It's my barcode generator. And if I want to put this on my website, now I'm not going to show you all the technical aspects of putting it on a website. I'm just going to show you how to do this from the Google Sheets. You go to File, you go to Share, you go to Publish to Web. And when you go to Publish to Web, you can publish the link, either the entire document or just as the sheet one. You can publish it as a web page, PDF, or other content as a link. Or I can go to Embed. And if I go to Embed, I have the ability to embed the entire document or just the sheet or a sheet if there are multiple sheets. I'm going to leave it an entire document. And I'm going to click Publish. Got to confirm it. And then I get this code. And I can take that code right there, copy it. So I pasted the code into my website page. I added some things that I know I need to have in there. So that is, I need to have a width and I need to have a height. And then when I preview this, you'll see the content that I have there. And when I publish to the web, I'm going to preview publishing to the web. This is what it's going to look like. Now, again, I need to do some formatting because it's probably too thin or too short and to make it higher, but that's all website stuff, not Google Docs stuff. So let's go back. Let's get rid of this. And let me show you. Now, by the way, if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to publish this to the web anymore, you need to go File, Share, Publish to Web, and you need to stop publishing and say OK. And now it's no longer published to the web. Let's do a Google Doc. So I'm in my Google Doc. I'm going to go to File, Share, Publish to Web. Again, I can do a link or I can do Embed. And when I do Embed, I hit Publish. I verify I want to do it. And there's the code. Copy that code. Go back to your website. Paste that code. And again, I know I need to make some changes here. I need height equals, let's make it 400. And width equals 100%. And now when I preview this, and there's my Google Doc. And again, I probably need to do some website formatting issues so I get it to show up right. It's not high enough and it's not using all the width, but that's all website stuff. But the bottom line is publish to web for a Google Doc. What you do is right here, File, Share, Publish to Web. And if it's published and you don't want it published anymore, stop publishing. Hit OK. Google Slides. Same functionality of Google Slides. And by the way, I'll offer to you that my primary tactic for sharing a Google Slide is I turn it into a PDF and I share the PDF. But if you want to embed this into a web page, File, Share, Publish to Web. I can have a link or embed. I want to embed. I can say medium 960 or large 1440. I can hit Publish. Okay. There's the code. I can copy that, go back to my website. Get rid of that and put the new content. And now when I hit preview, there's my Google slide. Probably a little too tall because it got a bunch of black space there. So I probably need to do some editing on the HTML code. But there's my Google slide waiting for someone to show up and look at it. Again, if I no longer want it embedded, then what I need to do is I need to go back to File, Share, Publish to Web, stop publishing. OK. And there's other tactics you can use. There's other features in the embed you may want to experiment with, but those are the basic steps for sharing a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, or Google Slides via embedding them into a web page so that you can share them with others. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this has been helpful for you.